Okay, hey officers, what's happening?
How you doing today?
I'm good, and yourself?
Doing well. What's your name, man?
Ronnie Davis.
You're Ronnie?
I am.
I'm Detective Moscato.
Nice to meet you, detective. How are you, brother?
Doing well.
Good.
Who is this?
Well, you have to answer our questions as well first. Why are you asking who we are?
Well, because I've got a case that involves yourself, Hayden, Jasper, Deshaun,
That's right.
and
This is from Jack again. He's about to get a commercial lien and probably get some jail time. Well, go ahead.
Well, I was wanting to speak with
Lisa?
Deshaun for a few minutes.
You can. You can. Let me have that, son.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Do you mind if I speak with him alone, or?
You can if you wish to. Go right ahead.
You can hold the video camera if you want.
Well, we will. Go ahead. Go ahead and talk with that officer. Open that gate right there and go talk with this officer. What's your name, officer?
Jody.
Jody?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
What
you,
year
sir.
is that Chevy over there?
You like that 59 Apache, brother?
I got 65.
No shit.
Yeah.
I'm not making them like these lawn tractors anymore.
No. We got a lot of rust though. It's under construction.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, that one took a little bit of a beating not too long ago, but I'm not letting it rust. We just got a few different lawsuits go through because we got like 7 judges here in Florida going to prison. Praise God in the highest. And well, actually put a little bit of money back into that vehicle because I didn't want to see it just rot into the damn ground, man.
My dad gave me mine, so I ain't complaining at all.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, hey, when it's dad now, it makes it kind of special if there's a nostalgia there. What's wrong with your car, partner?
No, it's a K9 car, and if I don't pop the hood, the air will start getting hot.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Just pop the hood every time. I take it somebody's made a complaint y'all must already be aware of.
We're aware of a couple of them. They've been harassing the hell out of us. We got like 5 lawsuits going. I got 2 judges begging me to relent. They're going to settle out and pay me fat or they're going to prison. Just like everybody else. I've taken over 100 children from CPS and DCF. The state has illegally extorted. There's like 74 police officers going to prison in Florida, all on account of me. Praise God in the highest, because they're not honoring the oath of office under Title 18 U.S.C. 2381 and Canon number 7. So that makes them an extortionist scumbag, punishable with no immunity. So I put their asses in jail. And all of my deputies out here know me, and I have a good rapport with them, and I don't play. And I love handing out commercial liens to dumbasses. So Jack's probably going to get one today. Not too long ago, he shot out the tires on my truck over there, and I decided that, it was my business, it's on my property. I don't have to report it because I educate in the law. And so I'm waiting. Now that he wants to turn it up a little bit, well, maybe we'll turn it up a little bit. There's no laches and curs because it's a federal offense. So we'll just see how fucking smart he is today. By the way, all of these people here, they do this. Bears Law, Forensic, and Science team. Putting corrupt assholes in jail for the last 7 years. Jack's going to be one of them today.
Videos so much. I feel famous.
You are. Now you are, bro. For a little while. No, but I like it when I got some good officers around that honor their oath, that know the law. A lot of cops don't know the law. They think traffic tickets are law. It's a statute, code, and ordinance that violates Title 18 U.S.C. 241 and 242. We had an officer not long ago pull over 2 friends of mine. One was busted for pot. That judge is going to jail because pot's not against the law. It's against the statute, code, and ordinance. Then he tried to pull my same buddy over for traveling without a license and no insurance. And now that also got turned over. Noelle prosecute. They called it mutual combatant, but the Supreme Court still standing case testimony says it's not mutual combatant. It's stupidity and ignorance and extortion on the law's behalf. So we don't give them acquiescence and we sue the sons of bitches because that's what they deserve. I am your boss. You are not mine. Know the difference. My father and grandfathers fought 4 wars and I ain't kissing your stupid ass for the bar. And that's what one of them just understood this last week. And then Judge Grode asked my boy, please don't put me in prison. Please don't put me in prison. Please don't put me in prison. And Judge Grode is in fact going to prison. So is Judge Franklin. She's being investigated right now by federal marshals. I love that because they think they're smart and they're dumb sons of bitches. That's what they are. When you don't honor your oath of office, I don't care who you are. I don't care what Freemason, Illuminati, garbage society that your daddy owns with good old boy money. Your ass is going to prison. because knowledge trumps power.
Yeah, it's like
And all
Marbury-
your guns and bombs, and I don't give a fuck who you think you are.
Marbury
But yeah,
versus Madison says,
Jack's a real piece of work, brother, and he's trying to disrupt Lisa's life. And that's
We're
who you
also-
should be talking with today. Because
Marbury
she's going to
versus
file
Madison.
criminal charges for harassment. Because this is the last time that this is going to happen. I've had CPS out here. My deputies love me. They know who I am here. Child Protective Services. And it's over the same thing. And because we have the right to know and address our attackers and accusers, it's going to be a bitch for them in a little while. See, I don't bother nobody, bro. And I do this for free. I don't even charge a fee to get these children back from these corrupt sons of pork vomit. So when they try...
Done with you? Is he done with you? That's it? All right, quick. I'm assuming that was it.
You do realize the lawful judicial ass whooping he just introduced himself to, right? Now, guys, you just now heard me tell these police officers that my tires over there on the truck were shot out by Jack Haney using a firearm. And I didn't choose to press charges at the time, and I don't choose to now, and the state can't pick them up because that would be against the federal ordinance. So what I'd like at this time is if he tries any more crap with my family, I'm going to file a commercial lien against the state's hazard bond, the judge's bond if one signs, not stamps. Red stamps do not constitute a signature. They're illegal and invalid. And I won't give more acquiescence. If Mr. Haney doesn't stop, there's 3 ways he can handle this. He can meet me in a courtroom where he'll end up in jail. He can get a commercial lien, or he can sign a waiver for the YMCA ring. He can pick one of the 3 because I don't just educate in law. I like big, thick boys that are dumbasses that don't honor their oath of office or respect other Americans who aren't bothering them. I love that. We get that? Because I want him to know I'm tired of playing with him now. He's done everything unlawful and illegal because he's an asshole. He's trying to hurt Lisa, his ex-wife, who no longer wants his dumb, violent, abusive ass around. And now that the boys wanted to spend a summer with their father, I guess one of them wants to come back. He's trying to make trouble. He shouldn't do that. He's not playing with some dumbass country bumpkin working on daddy's good old boy, good Freemason money. I'm not that maggot. I educate in the law and a bunch of other things. So if he keeps on, I have the right to know my attackers and my aggressors. We will be filing a commercial lien against everyone involved, and I don't want that to happen. So that needs to go back to our boss and our super analyst back at the Hive, honestly. Yeah. With all due respect, without threat, without frivolity, and without vexation. Because if you're honoring your oath of office, you're just another brother, and I respect you and bless you. And if it is extortion, then welcome to hell. With all my heart and all the love I can muster, because I just want other brothers that honor their oath of office. You guys aren't going out, aren't risking your life for no reason. And I respect that. My father did the same thing. So did my mother and my grandfather. So that Constitution is going to be upheld, and no one's going to step on shit. And Jack better leave us alone. And I mean that lawfully.
All right.
Any other questions you need, officer? Anybody else you need to see here?
Not at the moment, no sir.
Okay, then with all due respect, blessings, and please stay safe. I see you don't have a flat jacket on. It's a dangerous world out there. That's all I'm trying to say, brother. No threat. If you honor your oath of office, I need you alive. Okay, seriously. If you are a good cop, I need your ass here.
My family needs me alive too.
See, that's all I'm trying to say, man. You could be in... That's what I'm trying to say, guys. Oh, fuck the cop. No. There's a lot of good individuals. I grew up in a good neighborhood, believe it or not, in Baltimore City, and on the reservation where cops actually got into the law because they saw little ones being abused, mom having her ass whooped, dad beating up so-and-so at the local church. That kind of shit can't go. So if you are, just like you say, man, I need you here too. So does my little ones. I got children and grandchildren in this world. They need you too.
Right.
So, but yeah, all right. Just have a good day, man. If anything else takes place, please let us know.
Have a good one.
All right. Bless you guys.
All he did was ask me if anybody had touched me or if I'd been getting any drugs, and of
No.
course no.
Aw.
And what fun?
Nobody better touch you either. Nobody better ever hurt you.
Yep.
Yes, buddy. That's okay. That's all right. Nope, that's fine. Nope, that's fine. That's on our side. That's on our side. Nope, that's all right.
Come running.
That's all right. They're on our side. They're on our
I was
side.
looking for. I was like, fuck, somebody took
Yep.
off.
That's what,
No.
that's what family
I left
sticks.
my
That's what
phone
family sticks
with
together
David
for, Bear.
because I asked him to keep trying to get a hold of that lady in the UK.
So I didn't have my phone either.
So guys, go ahead. This is another wrap.
Yep.
You brought a dog. What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing. The dog
brought a
left with
dog,
the tail tucked between his
And
legs.
thank God the other officer opened the thing so he could have some good cold air. Because if you leave the hood shut, the officer told me that the dog gets hot. The air doesn't work well if the hood's shut. So don't want the dog in there. But here we go, Tommy. Would you, buddy?
Yeah.
Next time we could just charge you the consultation fee. We'd be like, you know, I see you guys want to do this, but you know,
Why would you not have one of these on your team? You
Yep.
hear me say all the time, with all due respect, let the record reflect, I'm not obligated to educate the judge in presiding over this case.
Whoa.
love listening to Adam.
Hello.
I'm not obligated to teach these officers. He said we're going to start charging me the consultation fee. You understand why I love your Jewish ass?
Did you hear
You Hebrew motherfucker, I love you.